Okay, so 112 says that she has a picture, and the picture is 4 inches tall by 6 inches wide, so something like that, right? So this is 4, and this is 6. There's the photograph. And then she wants to enlarge it, and they said the widest the enlarged photo can be is 48, right? So the widest it can be, right? So clearly that's like that, right? Not drawn to scale, of course, but okay. So this is 48, right? So now they're saying how tall will it be? So what did we do to get the width to go from 6 to 48? We multiplied by 8. So to keep it proportional, that would mean we would need to do the same for the height. So therefore the height would be 32. So we would, for A, we would say 32 inches. Right? Okay, and then the part B says she wants a wallet-sized photo, so she wants it to be 1.5 inches. So let's start with the original, right? Here's the 4 by 6. And she wants it to be 1.5 inches tall, right? So even smaller, right? So she wants this to be 1.5, right? So now we could do it, we could figure out what we needed to do to get from 4 to 1.5, or we could set up a proportion, right? We could say the ratio of 4 to 6 equals 1.5 to what, right? Because 4 is the height, 6 is the width. So 1.5 is the new height, what is the new width? And we could cross multiply here if we wanted. We would get 4x equals 6 times 1.5, right? So 4x equals 1.5. So again, if you can't do these or you're just stuck, just go off to the side, right? And say 1.5 times 6. 6 times 5 is 30, right? That's 9. Or move the decimal one space and you get 9. So 4x equals 9. And we divide by 4. And I'm just going to come up here, right? And we get x equals 9/4. Since this is a measurement, people usually don't say, oh, it's 9/4 inches wide. They would probably make this a mixed number. So they would say that it is 2.25, but since everything else was given in decimal, I would probably write it as 2.25 inches, right? So there's the answer to B.